Hi everyone! Lapit pa. Kailangan pa ba lapitan? Hello everyone! This is Amazing Drew. Naglit mali. Wait. Take 2. Hi! Hello everyone! This is Amazing Drew. Yes, it's me, Amazing Drew. By the way, guys, I would like... Huwag yun. Erase. Well, hello everyone. Hindi ko alam i-spell ko. Ano ba yan? Loka. Wait. Ito na. Hello everyone! Andito na naman tayo sa Amazing Drew Vlog. Yes. Guys, dahil sa tinagal-tagal ng ating panahon, hindi tayo nakapag-upload ng video dahil sa aking katamaran. Yes, narinig niyo yan, katamaran sa pag-upload sa video. So, ito nga guys, naku guys, I'm so excited for this one because this is really my first time. O diba, virgin pa, ganun. Yes, mga beshi wamp, virgin na virgin ang lola mo sa gagawin natin ito guys. Well, let's do this. Pak! Pasok! Tak! Ganun. Yes guys! Ito yon. Jaran! Jaran! Kita niyo yan? Nakikita niyo yan guys? Nakikita niyo yan? Nakikita niyo ba yan guys? Well guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng ni Tay. Ayan. Mag-unboxing tayo guys. So, this product is, I really love it, and it's just so amazing. Yeah, it's so amazing. I really love this one, and so, hindi na tayo magpapaligoy pa. Gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo para ma-upload na ito. So, ito na yan guys. Diyan! Gusto ko, hirap tanggalin. Yes, this one. Ayan guys. O, diba? Ayan. Ilapit pa natin. Pak! O, diba? Pak! Ganun. Ayan guys. Charles and Kate. We're gonna do unboxing of Charles and Kate. So, let's begin. Ang daming begin, no? Ayan. Buksan na natin siya guys. Charan! Boom! Ayan. O, diba? May pa, ano pa ha? Meron pa siyang parang cloth. Yan. Para ma-safety yung aurahan. Yung aurahan ng ano, ng nito. Ayan. And the things that I love the most is the packaging. It's really nice, you know. It's really like nakakayaman kahit walang pera. Diba? Nakakayaman yung packaging niya, guys. So, I really love it. So, ayan guys. Ito siya. Ayan. Ito yung bag na nabili ko. Bag? Magtataka yung bag? Bakit wala siyang handle? Diba? Well, you will see. Itong pouch na to ay matagal ako naghahanap ng ganitong klaseng pouch. Like, when you will going out, you will go to shopping or travel, or if I would like to go to office, I don't think so it will fit going to work because it's just kind of small. And the things that I love the most of this pouch is like, it's the color itself. Yeah, it's a combination of gold and black. Yes. And I like the details of the bag as well. I really love it, the details, because it's like a banig, you know. It's like a banig from front to back. Yan. And I love it. I really love it, the details. So let's open it. This pouch have a 2 zipper, one in the front and 2 at the back. Yeah. Okay, let's do. I will show it to you first, the first one. Oh, the second. No, not this one. Ito muna tayo, yan. Ito muna tayo, yan. O, diba? Ayan siya, guys. Taran! Taran! Yan! Meron siyang paliktad. Ayan. Meron siyang lagyan ng mga cards. If you have a lot of cards, credit cards, debit cards, shopping card, shopping points card, something like that, you know, you will just need to insert here. So, and also there's a zipper here that you can put your coins if you have. And yan, ang ganda niya. And then this one, the second part is this. You can put your cell phone, or if you have a packet Wi-Fi, you can put also here. And what else? Lipstick. Lipstick, may ganon. And then yeah, it depends to you kung anong gusto nyo ilagay dito. But for me, I think may lalagay ko lang dito like cell phone, the Wi-Fi, the packet Wi-Fi. I don't think so it will fit the, what do you call this, the power bank here, because I have a big one power bank, so it's not possible. It will become bulky, so I don't want to ruin this beautiful bag. So, and because that's why I love it, this one is, it's because of this one. Yes, the bug strap. So I'm gonna show it to you guys how really cool it is, this bag. So I'm going to try. Let's try it, right? So you will see how cool it is. Ayan, o diba? O diba bongga? Ayan, o diba bongga? So you will just like this and like this. Oh yeah, see. The things, guys, that I really love the most of this one is like, just you have this. It's so small. Sorry for my big tummy. And it's really sexy. It's so maganda. And you can choose whatever you want. The strap. There's I think this is the, I put in the tree so that it will look small. It's just only here at the upper of my what do you call it, belt. So something like that, yeah. So it's really nice, right? It's really cool and I love it. So once you wear this one, once you wear it, like, yan, feeling mayaman, di ba? Kahit walang lamang pera. O, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. O, di ba? Super ganda, di ba? I love it. And I love the color. And by the way, there's two color of this one. The one is brown, of course, brown in the combination of gold. And I choose this one because it's really easy to match your outfit. Any color of your dress, it will be matched. So there's no issue for that. So that's why I really love the black color. And of course, by the way, guys, this cost is around a 3,000 up, something like that in peso. But the good thing is that when I went to the shopping mall. Shopping. Actually, I'm not supposed to buy this one. Actually, I'm looking for something the other brand, but I cannot find here in the mall. Nearby. Ganon. Siyempre, nilalakad lang namin dito ang mall, no? Ganon kami dito. Char. Hindi, ano siya, guys. Mayroon akong isang brand na gusto talaga din. But, when I saw this one, I fell in love. So, it's really nice. I really like it. That's why I get it. And the price, because the in charge there is the kabayan. So, I asked her if she can give me the discount. And then, yes, guys, she gave me the discount. So, half of the price of this one is just only I pay it. So, it's really cool, right? It's just like, maybe I pay, if in peso, maybe I just, maybe around 1,000 plus. Yeah. It's cool, right? It's amazing, right? Yes! Ganun na nga mga ka-amazing and mga ka-beshiwap, diba? Nagustuhan nyo ba yung, yung pouch ko, and at the same time, yung bag na rin siya? Gustuhan nyo ba? If you really love it, please comment down below. If you don't like it, comment na rin para may masabi. Yan, ganun. Thank you, Charles and Kate. I really love it. I really appreciate this bag. It's really cool. And yan, guys. Thank you sa kabayan. I forgot her name. But I just want to thank her. Really. It's so cool. Ayun, guys. And, syempre, thank you mga tayo sa mga ka-beshiwap natin dyan. Guys, thank you so much, guys, for your love and support. And I wish and I pray all the best to you guys. You know, let's just enjoy and have fun. And for those just only starting a vlog, just enjoy. Don't think negative, okay? Just think positive. Yes, because if you will think positive, everything will be put in the right place. Right, not left. O, ganun na. Yes, guys, thank you so much. Hanggang dito na lang po ang aking vlog na maganda. At sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you, guys. Love you and God bless. I forgot, guys. I have something to tell you guys. There's a story behind this one. By the way nga pala. Actually, na-film ko na to. This is the one that I posted in my Facebook account. Which is, nung mag-final edit na ako, ito yung unboxing na to. Yung na-delete. Accidentally na-delete. So, I'm so sad at that. And I'm so happy. First, I'm so happy because I have a video that I'm going to vlog. Then I'm going to upload it in my channel. But, I don't know why it happens. I accidentally deleted it. So, that's the thing. So, I filmed it again. So, there's a... You know, if you didn't notice, there's some of a paper there. So because I already removed it and I can't undo it. So I just make it like possible like this because I really want to blast this one, and it's because it's my first time to do an unboxing. That's what, guys. By the way, anyway, guys, that's it. Thank you. Bye.